Thank you for joining us again in this video series. One of the strengths of this software stack is the extent to which it can be customized. The more highly it is customized, the higher the price becomes for an adversary to compromise security and privacy. This step is essential also for compatibility in an Active Directory environment, especially if you've chosen the better practice of pointing endpoint devices, DNS servers, to the software stack rather than the default of using your AD servers. First, you can rename devices quite easily when selecting devices and then turning on Show Device Details. In order to reveal the MAC and IP addresses associated with each, the Edit button allows you to make changes to that device name as well as the other settings, as you can see here. In cases where a Layer 3 discovery is not in place, but you wish a specific IP address to receive custom treatment, it can also be added manually with this Add Device feature. Tags are a useful way to group larger networks into groups that can be more efficiently managed. Some automatic tagging will occur as new threat intelligence or device information becomes available automatically. An important part of this software's ecosystem is the Block Page Assistant extension. It can be installed manually from the Google Chrome Store or by group policy on a Windows domain. For devices treated with a rule set based on whitelists, every block page presents an opportunity for the end user to request unblock. When clicked, the unblock request is added to the unblock requests, which appear like this. Now, there are two whitelisting modes, manual and automatic. Both modes will immediately trigger a cloud-based crawl of the site in question. The manual mode will send a notice to the request managers and wait for the system administrator to respond. The automatic mode will automatically add the site along with its dependencies, provided the following conditions are all met. First, the domain does not have a negative reputation with Google Safe Browsing, and the domain is categorized as an acceptable business category. Check the documentation for these options. And next, the domain is not categorized as adult content in a variety of other categories that are also documented. And finally, the domain is of known good reputation in our own threat intelligence graph. Make sure you have request managers added so that notifications can be received by individuals who will manage the whitelisting ecosystem for you. Each deployment of this software stack also includes key additional resources. Specifically, you want to bookmark mytools.management. This is a great starting point for end users and internal system administrators alike. MyBox.Management offers a real SSL certificate to manage your software stack device itself. And MyDNS.Management may optionally be used for dynamic DNS services. From a customization perspective, your block page can be customized by specifying these additional settings in your advanced menu. Just make sure that the URL logo and the URL link are part of your whitelist that is available to everyone. By now, we expect you have some ideas of your own in terms of use cases, and we really look forward to working with you on those. Thanks for tuning into this video. Please check out the other resources in this series.